Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by rebooting into safe mode so you can change account credentials safely. First, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery, and click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Once the system restarts, pick Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Startup Settings, then Restart again. When the list appears, press 4 for Safe Mode or 5 for Safe Mode with Networking. Make sure you know the local administrator account or have another admin signed in before proceeding. Now that you're in Safe Mode, change the password either through Control Panel or Command Prompt. Open Control Panel, go to User Accounts, manage another account, select the target account, and choose Change the Password. Enter the old and new passwords if prompted. If you prefer CLI, open an elevated command prompt and run net user your username new password to set a new one instantly. Use a strong, memorable password, and note that safe mode requires admin rights, so ensure the account is authorized before continuing. Finish by restarting the PC to boot Windows normally. Go to Start, Power, and Restart. Once back in standard mode, sign in with the new password to confirm success. If login fails, boot safe mode again, double-check the username, and rerun NetUser to reset the password correctly. If changes still won't apply, log in with another administrator account or use a previously created password, reset USB to regain access. One tip: enable a secondary admin account before emergencies to avoid lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.